Try these 25 macOS MCQs. Let's begin. Question 1. What does macOS stand for? A. Macintosh Operating System. B. Machine Operating System. C. Microsoft Apple Operating System. D. Macintosh Open Software. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Macintosh Operating System. Question 2. Which company develops macOS? A. Google. B. Apple. C. Microsoft. D. IBM. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Apple. Question 3. macOS is mainly used on which devices? A. Android phones. B. Windows PCs. C. Mac computers. D. Linux servers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Mac computers. Question 4. Which of the following is a macOS file manager? A. Explorer. B. Finder. C. Nautilus. D. Chrome. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Finder. Question 5. What is the default file system used in modern macOS versions? A. FAT32. B. NTFS. C. APFS. D. Extension 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. APFS. Question 6. Which utility is used to search files quickly in macOS? A. Cortana. B. Finder. C. Spotlight. D. Siri. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Spotlight. Question 7. Which voice assistant is available in macOS? A. Alexa. B. Cortana. C. Siri. D. Bixby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Siri. Question 8. Which menus is located at the top of the macOS screen? A. Start menu. B. Taskbar. C. Menu bar. D. Ribbon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Menu bar. Question 9. What is the macOS app launcher called? A. Launchpad. B. App Grid. C. Dashboard. D. Start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Launchpad. Question 10. Which feature backs up files automatically in macOS? A. File history. B. Restore point. C. Time machine. D. Backup Pro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Time machine. Question 11. Which command copies selected text in macOS? A. Control plus C. B. CMD plus C. C. Alt plus C. D. Shift plus C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. CMD plus C. Question 12. Which command pastes copied text in macOS? A. CMD plus V. B. Control plus V. C. Alt plus V. D. Shift plus V. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. CMD plus V. Question 13. Which command cuts selected text in macOS? A. CMD plus X. B. Control plus X. C. Shift plus X. D. Alt plus X. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. CMD plus X. Question 14. Which company created the Safari browser? A. Google. B. Mozilla. C. Apple. D. Opera. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Apple. Question 15. What is the bottom application bar in macOS called? A. Ribbon. B. Dock. C. Toolbar. D. Taskbar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Dock. Question 16. Which macOS feature allows quick app access? A. Finder. B. Dock. C. Spotlight. D. Siri. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Dock. Question 17. Which file extension is commonly used for macOS applications? A.exe, B.apk, C.app, D.bat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C.app. Question 18. Which macOS utility manages disks and partitions? A. Disk utility, B. File manager, C. Storage tool, D. Disk manager. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Disk utility. Question 19. Which macOS feature supports dark interface mode? A. Night view, B. Dark mode, C. Black screen, D. Midnight mode. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Dark mode. Question 20. macOS is based on which operating system family? A. DOS, B. Unix, C. Windows, D. Android. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Unix. Question 21. Which shortcut minimizes a window in macOS? A. CMD plus M, B. Control plus M, C. Alt plus M, D. Shift plus M. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. CMD plus M. Question 22. Which key deletes text backward in macOS? A. Delete, B. Backspace, C. Remove, D. Escape. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Delete. Question 23. Which utility checks system activity in macOS? A. Task Manager, B. Activity Monitor, C. System Monitor, D. Resource Manager. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Activity Monitor. Question 24. Which macOS feature provides virtual desktops? A. Spaces, B. Rooms, C. Panels, D. Tabs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Spaces. Question 25. Which shortcut force quits apps on macOS? A. CMD plus Option plus Escape, B. Control plus Alt plus Del, C. CMD plus Escape, D. Shift plus Escape. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. CMD plus Option plus Escape. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.